What are you eating, Lauren? Can you say pudding?
Hey.
What happened to your spoon?
There you go. I've been waiting on her to stick her fingers in her mouth like that. That's how you do it. Yeah. Show mommy how the piggies eat.
How's your pudding? Is it yummy? Lauren, is it yummy?
I'm done. I'm done.
Can you say yummy?
Notice it drip off her chin.
Can you take that to the
Yeah.
kitchen, Walker? Gracias.
Is that good? Is that good?
She's not gonna eat that pork chop.
Hmm?
She's not gonna eat that pork chop.
No. It happened.